Ni wirigiro bwa kwa mlithiri wa Miru TV Jumatano ekunditite na mbere boya iri tariki 23 mweri ni jwena mwaka ni 2025 kankwa twene kirenteto cia Miru TV muthenya bitawa Tirimbabu akiaria Rais William Ruto hari Beijing China na wite thirikari ya wesa na mbere kuatanira na thirikari ya China kirimanto ya wite na mbere harakinya wite kinyamanto ya kithomo watanirwe ni tethetie a Kenya bonene.
Peking University has played a pivotal role in China-Africa educational relations, having educated over 4,000 African students since 1956, including many from Kenya. We are proud of our academic collaboration, including the partnership with Kenyatta University in literature and cultural studies. These exchanges and the scholarships you provide are building lifelong people-to-people bonds and transforming lives in very tangible ways. Indeed, education is a pillar of our diplomatic partnership. As Kenya, and as we deepen our focus on science, technology, and innovation, we welcome further partnerships with Chinese institutions, particularly in STEM fields, that is, artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and the creative economy. Kenya's Silicon Savannah is established at Konza Technopolis, and our upcoming National Artificial Intelligence Strategy offers a unique platform for cutting-edge collaboration between Kenya and China. Ladies and gentlemen, we gather at a time of profound and accelerated global change. From regional conflicts, economic shocks, and climate disruption to cyber insecurity and demographic shifts, the challenges we face today are complex, interconnected, and urgent. But within these challenges are opportunities. Opportunities for renewed partnership, bold thinking, and reimagined global architecture. Africa and China have emerged as pivotal partners in this shifting landscape, bound by history, powered by mutual interest, and grounded in a shared future. 2 days after Kenya gained independence, in December 1963, China opened its embassy in Nairobi, becoming the 4th country to do so. Our ties have only deepened since, culminating in the establishment of a comprehensive strategic cooperative partnership in 2017. China is now sub-Saharan Africa's largest trading partner and Kenya's largest overall. We export tea, coffee, flowers, and more. And I trust many of you may have enjoyed a cup of Kenyan tea or coffee, or a bouquet of fresh flowers or roses from Kenya.
Na nteto cietu siasa no citite na mbere kuata mwanki wa dini ya Siakariga haranende akari bakwenda MCs baraka na baraba kuromba kura cia MCA kuata mtu mwembaru haranende bandikithitie Bishop Mwathi uraba kuwa ni wewe na maono ya mea na sinda MC urore kuo kinywa ZDM
tukaweta lakini ende kura ila wona tukiringa ikite magabarabara ebwa ikite magabarabara ibuka na rero kathurana burana utakuwa ukimenyaga imbi yo kurutha nontu maita mara maingi atuya atukerwa na ntugu tukerwa ngani ono we mwega nkeruki we unuye mtura ura ukuona kabisa uramwona na ora wiji kabisa mtu mwega
gwetwa Bishop Nicholas Mwathi rieto ria siasa rietwa Kanugu kathiagira na areguru nyamu ino ingire ndi
muno tutera we mbeca ndi bwate we mbeca bwana enkania ntewa mbeca tikanenkanirwe lakini bwana enkero mbeca bukono we mwega indi miange tano mtu akathi kuruta wira yake nuntu nakwenda gucokia mbeca ciake.
Na mheshimiwa Mpanda kwira atire tia kuga mbeca tutawira nuntu mheshimiwa ria athurirwe kana rira pengine akurugama na bati kwigwa na kanyamu kanini gakuria na antu bake na go support antu bake kwa anambia ciana gitumia ntunika na cio bakubatethagia nuntu tugatwe kuga tutitethia no tumba kuotia na mbeca menka 20 kiaba na kawaira mbeca ko ende tigani unkuthuka ndathi bia thoni nuntu ngutethia muntu arugama kauga yetu tikwenda mbia tu.
Kwa hivyo mheshimiwa Zakari na Nicholas, mtupange vizuri hata sisi tuwe tunapata mkate wa serikali kuu. Sawa sawa?
Tukalia tukawatanira kwenda tuwatanira lakini ndenda ukwira wira ya MCA nene muno kamtu kanini utibu kamulutha MCA renda ari ukoni onti atinda ko consult ndathi yankamenya borankuruthi barabara iri kukuru ira mbingi ni onda araunchaga.
Kwa hiyo wandi quest tuwatanira na mheshimiwa Mpanda lakini nigo ndiene rando na Mpanda no ene rando yakwa nontu musupportete maita matatu na ngetigaga antu na iguru nara ga support Mpanda na lengo ya kumusupporta maita matatu ikugeria bura kamanyaki uturini na kamaradi location yonde yomba ukira kwa hiyo ndi round ino twathi ukara ndiguru request yakwa kirwe kewe kumwira ndiera ndo no tuwinera ndo yakwa no tima wasa bakegwa mareo kenda muba kwa DMC
Kari na tumediba barabara ya St. Anne Kagaene wita Miomponi ni basi umiriti kumeneria mubunge wa John Mutunga nontu bwa kuthukanga kwa barabara ubakere bwete barabara ene rurirwe ni Rais Uhuru Kenyatta miaka 9 ethiriwe kirwa lami hendu mwanka thai utingwe yaritwika. Mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Handans Muturia wa Thirinja ari na ripoti.
Kari kuma gicigombe gatigene cukuru barithia maandamano ne bakithetane kuthukanga kwa barabara St. Anne Kagaene Miomponi barabara ira bakwene cukite Kinyamara kiboko kaitaka miaka 9.
Oni ankwera Mutunga atere tomwere kura cietu na rosafi atura kuma St. Anne Miomponi toekerwa lami saindi ya kunene na lami lakini bado muntu akiuma kinya Kagaene maende yeitokia ni bado te maende ya weta nonto bakoringa ndini kiriki.
Shida yangu ni hii barabara haijatengenezwa na mtoto akikuwa mgonjwa kukinyesha, mtoto akikuwa mgonjwa hakuna venye utaweza mtoa nyumbani umpeleke hospitali. Na tunatumia hii barabara inakuwa na matope mingi, watoto wakigonjekea shule kama ile ya Uringu Girls, mtoto akigonjekea shule usiku hakuna venye atapelekwa hospitali.
Kulingana na Karibaba barabara yo mbere kwithira kiruguru ni mutongori wa mugongo Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta ende kuma kaitene ku barabara yo tomba kwithira kiritrongo atongori kuma gicombe gatigene usu bakibatanire na kuria kwithira bakarire mantu yege barabara
watu nyamo muntu aketha ateta matana tanda kama tana tanda no ntutu ende Mutunga ito mwendete na ketha tena wendo abatu no peo
na mwankaru are imiaka 9 barabara ye kulonchwa no barabara yetu ni etethina ke baturira gukiakura uya asolas ukiakura ndakaire chetana bikibiki tetora bikibiki. Minister of Roads, where is our road? Nonto ito kumenya mbete che barabara ite releaserwa. Where is our road? Tuwero kethira yegwo kanete kwa that's all.
Karibaba na ndini bamenerete mubungu gicumbe gatigene West Dr. Mutunga nikira baku amana kwithira barabara ino mbere kwithira ikiruguru contractor tomba kwithira yekinyana kwanje kubwithia barabara yu arana ndeba kumuriomba kwithira kibwithia na pwena
barabara ina mieri 9 kuma iko launcho ina miaka 9 kuma iko launcho President Kenyatta barabara batu turi wananchi turienda barabara
waomba wakuja tutengenezee barabara tupate barabara mzuri wenye biashara wafanye biashara upate yani tuna access kila kitu hapa kwa ibara nini.
Kiripoti Ramiro TV kuma gicigombe gatigene West Bitanda Msumuturia.
Na tutana mbere na Nteto cietu misika thomba kuma kinoria kurutumburi icio mbunge Kabure ibati thinene nene nyuma ya Kabubani kumbura nyumba cio na ubatia batina kwa kumama kana kinya bia kuria kulukene bauriti baubange kwanda mitembre nene kenda kurieria makarika ya yau tukucie yete.
Akariba kenoria kurwirere ntumburi bore ibatina Kinyamara kenene nyuma ya Kabubani kuimbura nyumba cio arabati batena kemamo kana kinya bia kuria ntubakuwa bare thinene nene
aturigaria rugo rwejire ya rwakurigaria tuzona ntubonge jaburi atonere ntukweu raumete kwa mungania rwaja rukigi ou rwe tukori tukoinga yejete tugategera tukyo tukuona tukori mbie kwa tukomenya imbio rwe jaru akinyo au akwa mutori wetu rwana arukia mitio tugategera iruka bwa yake tukuona akakuthiuruka kurukite gakinyo au kagita nyoburu gakuruka ntura yetu ni rito mantu akurigaria ino irugo ru
thira ruiru ntemere ntame rwagwithia nyumba twacoka rwakuruka nyumba rwita nguu cionthe kinya thai ndirarua ni aturi ni yomeire cia kinyangwa na ntaka no tikio ndina kyo bururu kinya twire turandirare atu turaurira na twathuka
twatirimiro ntumburi iruo rukuruma na inya mono tutona ruo rungi jaru na roja ruo rwina inya mono rumite bwakwa mungania rwititie na rwejira nture twatwikira ndamenji nyingi mono rwatutariria nyumba cia nturi betu tutira tukabathithiria monka thaiji rwatukurira miti imbati gutio rwatirimiriana
kulukia karibai barombete bau bangi kuanda miti kaita gaka mbura nikenda kurieria makarika ya kabubani ya kama ita twitite
romba tu antu bantumburi surrounding compound yenja muntu na anda mithuri ikiugero gwata anda miti ingi yetu muno ngiriveria lakini despite tukana miteu tukorirwi kwana mite mituna no tunye karigirie ruo na nene aga nega tutethia turi antu bantumburi na rojo na oke ingwetike ntumburi yetu ikethero ethongi
ndi na ndi ankwira antu betu atiri ona rigi kurana igitari nani on izo ciomia kwanda mite mitunde kuria mite imo tugaita nko ingi na ega tutethia ruo ya rukomba kunanga warugeta rukanyiaga nikenda gwakara bwega
kuluki barombete antu bawendi boya kana kinya thirikari ubalikana no batethia nako kumama na kinya bia kuria
omba ura bombo ntethia nikenda una ndinkagia na bia kuria na bia kunywa na nguo cia gwikira na inya matrisi cionthe ciuriri kinya bwitagera au ci banigite ciri au na ndinya uturo ndita kuromba kwa ithaino nkurarua ndita ngeta nkarara rukiri nkaruka ai na ndini nyandigari
antu bana baenere bana barabo bagwatirwo ithine u mwanka thai bakwenda utethio wona gintu gyo tutethia raro karujo ninga tuchwite tonete asamaria ema bakuma nthiguru ingi batutethie kwija gutegera antu babetura bakona gikaro gyo karano ntu tutiungira kyo batethia nakyo
reportera Meru TV kuma Ntumburi Bore mbita wa Mwende
Ibaya sana mwendo laibuni na untubari botu na njira inkinyaniru tutana mbere na nteto cietu ndicisi wa Southimenti Mary Mwangi na director wa NEMA Jessica Kaura ne borete baraba kwenja mai ya Kirikware akaunti ya Meru kurungika ngwe ukaiteneka kambura na rabo wete baraba kare akuthiatira mawatho magekirwa bitanone mandikweto wa nteto Jeff Ogituma na kulikithia
nawe Mary Mwangi DCC wa sub-county ya Nkwene Mitungu amwe na Jessica Kaora uria ni mwerekithiria kirimantu janema ja county ya Meru ni baumirite na kuria barabenjaga maiga kwari bethere bakirungika untu bubu bakwinja maiga baugite bubu ndi mbura ithirite gitamantame ntere mwanya cha nthiguru iji ya Kenya.
Tunahimiza watu wajichunge kwa hizo quarries na wale pia kuna watu ambao wanauzia pombe pale kwa quarries pia tunawatahadharisha kwa sababu hizo quarries mtu anaweza angamia pale, hatutaki kupoteza maisha yoyote. Na wale pia wanatoa mawe katika quarries zile, wakati kama huu watu nasema wachana na kuendelea kutoa mawe pale, tungoje wakati mvua itarudi chini tutaweza kuendelea na ile biashara.
So what we are always advising the quarry owners there is that they have to stop doing the quarrying activities until the rain subside, because there is always the risk of collapse of the quarries, and this is what results to death. Because as I said when I started, we have to create a balance between our immediate needs and safety and health of the environment.
Bunge kumakiri Jessica kinyokeja kwithira kware iji chithirite kinyia bunene makarika jogwati bara bakarega kwathikira mawatho thirikari kethire kibekira bitanone.
So we are moving around creating awareness, which is important and continuous, asking them to stop those quarrying activities until the rain subside, and if that is not done, then we are enforcing the law, and we actually take people to court because of those issues. because we have to preserve life. As I said, now that machine cut has come into being, we've actually really reduced on the incidences or deaths that actually occur. And the nature of machine cut, you cannot actually do it during the rainy seasons because the pits filled up and you cannot be able to cut the machine using the machines. However, we still have remnants of quarrying that is done using the hands, and this is where the risks are most. Well, there's risk even in machine cut, but there are more risk in the hand. Kutumia mkono to doing the quarrying. So we're also asking the quarry owners to fence off the quarries, and that ensures that those dust that is being generated is just within the quarry and is not going into the surrounding areas. The other thing is that during the operations of the quarries, we're asking the quarry owners to dust the roads that they are using. And more to it is that they have to maintain a 30 km/h speed when they are using those feeder roads that of course also connect to other people's homes.
Nkiripotera Meru TV Mbita Jeff Wagitumam.
Na riboti ya Jeff Ogituma iyo tukinyithia muthia jua nteto cietu katho cia mwanya kiri barabonde bombo kinyanithia nteto cia Meru TV muthenya ngakondera kaita kathongi kajuri ni itharimo bya murungu mweninya bitawa tiri mbabu.